Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today I'm going to share my absolute favorite Thanksgiving turkey recipe that's been perfected over years of family gatherings. Trust me, this will be the juiciest, most flavorful bird you've ever made. Let's start with the secret to an amazing turkey. It's all about the prep work. First, you'll want to choose a fresh turkey, about 12-14 pounds. Here's a pro tip. Calculate about 1 pound per person you're serving, plus extra for those beloved leftovers. 2 days before Thanksgiving, start thawing your turkey in the refrigerator if it's frozen. The day before, we're going to make a game-changing brine. Mix warm water with kosher salt, brown sugar, fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary, whole peppercorns, and here's my secret ingredient, a couple of oranges, sliced up. Now here's where most people go wrong. They skip the brining process, but this step is absolutely crucial for keeping your turkey moist. Let that bird soak in the brine overnight, and I promise you'll taste the difference. On Thanksgiving morning, remove your turkey from the brine and pat it dry thoroughly. Here's another game changer. Let it sit at room temperature for about an hour before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. While you're waiting, prepare your herb butter. Mix softened butter with minced garlic, fresh herbs, salt, and pepper. Gently separate the skin from the meat and massage that butter mixture under the skin. Yes, it's a bit messy, but it's so worth it. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Stuff the cavity with aromatics, onions, lemons, garlic, and fresh herbs. Truss the legs, brush the skin with melted butter, and pop it in the oven. Here's the foolproof cooking method. Start at 425 degrees for 30 minutes to get that gorgeous golden skin, then reduce to 350 degrees for the remaining time. For a 12-14 pound turkey, you're looking at about 2.5 to 3 hours total. The most important part? Let it rest for at least 30 minutes before carving. I know it's tempting to dig right in, but this rest period lets all those delicious juices redistribute throughout the meat. And there you have it. A perfectly cooked, incredibly juicy Thanksgiving turkey that'll have everyone asking for seconds. Remember, it's not just about the recipe. It's about creating those special moments around the table with the people you love. Happy cooking.